There are times where you may have data that has been duplicated or accidentally entered twice. So in this example, I've already highlighted some of the duplicate rows. You can see that somehow we've accidentally typed these lines in twice. It's the same data for each of these lines. So what we want to do is go in and remove those because we don't always have them nicely grouped together like this, and you may not know where they are in the data. So I've already formatted this as a data table, and I have the panes frozen as well. So let's go under Table Design, and there's Remove Duplicates here. And what it's going to ask you is, which columns do you want to look for duplicates? We could just look for duplicate store locations and delete those. But we don't want to do that because we have multiple stores in the same location. So we want to choose all of the columns because the data in all of the columns for the row needs to match so that it's a duplicate for all of the columns. My data has headers is this row here, the column headings. That's what that means. So we are going to click on OK. It found 4 duplicate values, and it tells you how many values remain. So if we go down here to the bottom, you can see that it duplicated one of each of those rows. So now we have removed those duplicates.